Bonjour, here I am again with my dad up at the allotment. We're here to cut the big pumpkin that I've been kind of keeping a bit of a secret from you guys, as I tend to. Anyway, we'll cut it, weigh it, and if it's big enough, I might brag. Right, so I'm not going to show you the plot because it looks an absolute state. That's this bed. But there's the pumpkin. What a big old hefty beast he is. And we've got a chair there for scale. Let's just give you a quick front side and back side. So the trials and tribulations of trying to grow this one this year were the stem, the primary stem going into the pumpkin split halfway through its life, and I just carried on watering it anyhow just to see if it was taking up nutrients and that, and I think it was. Got a bit of a bad skin condition, obviously needs some moisturiser of some sort, but let's get that cut, and we've got the scales up here, we'll weigh it, and yeah, that'll be that. Alright, here we go. My dad's gonna cut the umbilical cord without cutting the pumpkin, hopefully. So I think, oh well, that's it. There's no way I think we can lift that up because it really is a big old brute, so it's going to have to be rolled down to the scales and we will continue. Right, let's roll it down to the scales. Obligatory ass shot. There's the scales. That's a nice flat patch for us to try and balance it on. This is always the tricky part now. Well, there we have it. It's made it onto the scales. You can't see, but I think that says 39 kilos. I should have asked my dad to take a guess, and I would have had a guess as well, but I'll put that weight in pounds on the screen now. I know it's not the biggest one I've ever grown, but you know, it's a decent enough effort this year. Alright, I don't know if this gives you some kind of sense of scale of how big this one is or how small it is in comparison to ones I've done in previous years. It's still a big old brute at almost 40 kilos, and off camera I said to my dad, I'll just pick this up and kind of like hold it and give them a sense of scale of how big this is. No chance. It's bloody heavy and it's an awkward shape to hold. Anyway, that's it for this one. 39 kilos, 2025. Gets a thumbs up from me. If you've enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up, give it a like. Please do subscribe to the channel, but most important of all, do get at me in the comment section down below. And until the next video, whenever that may be, bye for now.